Why do so many gardeners toss guava leaves away? What if I told you those leaves can become your next fruitful tree? Stick around to see how it's done. First, let's grab a healthy mature guava leaf. Green and unblemished is best. Gently snip it off with a bit of its stem still attached. Next, fill a small pot with moist, well-draining soil. Dip the leaf stem in rooting hormone if you have it. This really helps, but it's optional. Now, poke a small hole in the soil and bury the stem about an inch deep, making sure the leaf stands upright. Mist the soil and cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse. Place your pot in bright, indirect sunlight. Here's the trick. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you should see tiny roots forming. Once you spot new shoots, remove the plastic bag and let your baby guava tree breathe. Transplant your rooted leaf to a bigger pot and watch it grow. It's really that simple. So next time you snack on guava, save a leaf and try this easy hack for a 100% success rate. Happy gardening!